All right, we got a beautiful Flagstaff Super V, double entry doors, solid steps. I'm gonna start back here because this bedroom, this is a nice trailer, slide toppers. Wait till you see this. Look at this bedroom. This is a nice trailer. Look at all this room. Bathroom with 2 entry doors. But look at this. This trailer is well built, super nice. Look at all this. All real cabinetry. You got a dinette over here that turns into a sleeper. Nice kitchen. Big recliners. This is a beauty.